It took me out to dine. Maybe I had too much wine, but I never felt so desired. Boys who squire just keep me tired. I saw you looking at my shoulders bare, and I didn't care. You had no hair. I could be your Joan of Arc. It's enough for me if there's a spark. Then the days go by, start to wonder why I'm the one making the calls, asking you to stay, maybe come away with me. Wondering if thousands of miles away, the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Da-dun-dun-dun. Oh, today I am time traveling. And every time that you They say love is free, but it's more than you can see. It's a song, it's a melody, it's the beat of you and me. You insist to be my friend, though I'm so busy. And whenever I need your help, I count to 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see your face. You're the only fox in town who knows how to laugh and love. And I think that you're so special. It's not obvious that you're around. So if you think that I forgot it's your birthday, let me fix your mind. No, I can bring you the moon, but I can sing a song of love. And if you'll ever feel lonely, don't worry, I'll be on your side. 'Cause you're my best friend forever. I wish you all my best regards. You're so beautiful and brave. That's how I see you every day. You do magic with your hands, or you can build an aeroplane. You're the